This is the Happy Days video tutorial for the OLLIE clip-on poop bag holder. And this is how you make it. You'll need fabric for the tab, fabric for the main bag, a zip, a lobster type clasp and a plastic grommet. We'll start by making the tab. Take your tab fabric and fold in half and press. Then open out and take this edge to this centre crease and press, and bring this side, this edge into the centre crease and press, and then fold over, press and add some clips. Now take it over to the sewing machine and sew fairly close to each edge. So a row of stitches along this side and a row of stitches along this side. I've sewn along each side, and now I'm going to take the ring off my lobster clasp and thread it through, fold in half, take a clip, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and I'm going to tack the tab closed. That's my tab finished for the time being, and I'm going to put it to one side while I work on the main bag. Take your main piece of fabric and fold it in half lengthways and press, open out and fold widthways and press. So you've got a definite cross. I've drawn all the way around, and now I'm going to cut all around that line very carefully. The next step is to fix the grommet in place. I've clipped my grommet into place, and the next stage is to add the zip. The zip goes on the shortest sides. Take your zip and place it with the tab facing downwards, and place it so the edge of the zip and the edge of your bag line up. I'm using an extra long zip, but you can use a shorter one. Add a few clips. Once you've added your clips or your pins, put your zipper foot on your sewing machine and sew all along, joining the zip to the bag. I've sewn all the way across, joining one half of my zip, and I've drawn a line parallel each side to the edge of my bag. The next stage is to carefully open your zip, and using these marks that you've just made, ensure that one fits on one side and one the other, and add some clips. I've added some clips, and I've also made sure that this top edge lines up. And as I did on here, I'm going to pop my zipper foot back on, and I'm going to sew all along this side. I've now joined both sides of the zip on. The next stage is to top stitch. So fold over. This is much easier on your ironing board, and press that side and do the same for this side and top stitch all along. I've joined both sides of the zipper, And now I'm going to fold over, press, and then take it over to the sewing machine and top stitch all along here. Top stitched all along, and now I'm going to do exactly the same for the other side. Fold over, press and top stitch all along. Once your top stitching is all done, leave your bag this way up, and we've got to find the centre along here. You may well still see your crease lines that you made for your grommet, but if you can't, just fold it in half and repress it. I've actually drawn a line on mine which will help you see it a bit better. Next, take your tab that you made earlier and place it centrally on this line. And add a clip. And then we're going to take it over to the sewing machine and tack quite close to the edge along just to keep it in place. I've tacked on my tab, ensuring that the tab faces downwards and is the opposite end to the zipper pull. Next, take your zipper pull and close your bag about halfway. Make sure that these edges are lined up and that the zipper is central. You can check with a ruler if you want to, and when you're happy with that, add a clip each side. Now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine, use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way along. Sewn all the way down, and we've got to do exactly the same for this end. It's a little bit more fiddly this because you've got to make sure that the teeth are close together. And when you're happy with that, once again, over to the sewing machine and sew all the way across. Remember, this time you'll be sewing over the tab as well, so it'll be a bit more bumpy as you're going along, so take your time. I've sewn all the way across. I've snipped the 4 corners, and I've also cut off the excess zip. And now I'm going to turn it the right way out through the gap. If you haven't already done so, add the remainder of your clip. And that's our ollie all finished.